Welcome to YouTube channel Life Skills. Please like, share and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills. Oh god, this lockdown, so many restrictions. We cannot go outside for our work or playing without fear. Every moment is filled with fear of being infected by coronavirus, and there are many researches going on to make vaccine to cure corona. When will we be able to get rid of this coronavirus? Sometimes the vaccination proves to be of no use. If anyone is found suffering from COVID-19, we are in tension that it may not infect us. People are trying hard to increase immunity, however, people with good immunity suffer from corona. All time the stress is developing suicidal thoughts. It seems either we will die with this disease or with the negative thoughts developed due to lockdown, social distancing, and not meeting our loved ones and relatives staying at different states. This stress is leading us towards negativity at its highest state, which never happened before in lives. To alleviate this negativity, let me share a story with you. Once upon a time there was a king. He was surrounded by his enemies, and his enemies took possession of his kingdom. The king fled away in the dense forests. He saved his life anyhow from the enemies. He was leading quite a stressful life. He was so insecure that his enemies might reach any time to embroil him. He was separated from his family members and all his loved ones. One day he was sitting in a cave and was doing introspection. All of a sudden, he noticed that there was a spider which was trying to make cobweb. He found that this spider, without any reason, is trying to do its efforts to make web where there was no possibility to make it. The spider was doing its efforts and it failed several times, fell down many times from the wall. But when the king saw minutely that the spider made one thread and then another from one wall to another, and finally the spider made successfully a beautiful cobweb in front of the cave, which was quite impossible to be made as per the king's viewpoint. In the meantime, the king noticed that there came his enemies in search of him. But when they saw a cobweb in front of the cave, they thought that no one was living there for so long and returned from that place. The king took it as an indication of God, who filled the defeated king with energy and enthusiasm. He met with the people, paid his tribute, and attacked his enemy and got his kingdom back. And when he reached in his kingdom, he searched for his kith and kins and established his kingdom by defeating his enemies without fear, and enjoyed life with his family members. The spider inspired the king for doing his persistent efforts without fear, and he won the battle with enemies. During lockdown, we are in the same way worried as the king was in the story. He lost his family members. He was unsure whether he will be able to meet his family members and friends stuck in the lockdown. During lockdown, we are in the same way worried as the king was in the story. He lost his family members. We are unsure whether we will be able to meet our family members and friends stuck in the lockdown. The way corona cases are increasing, it is increasing. Our heart beats every moment, but we should keep patience. The time will change. We have to muster courage. Finally, there will be vaccines available in the markets to cure COVID-19. Remember, patients are being recovered despite average medicines and medical facilities. In the ancient era, there was havoc of cholera, chickenpox, malaria, dengue, etc. However, with scientific researches, man has discovered remedies and treatment for all these diseases. Initially, we do not claim about panacea for curing the COVID-19, but it does not mean that we shall certainly die due to the pandemic. If one research fails, another will come, and then another, and one day we will be completely able to conquer our coronavirus. Our fight is not only with COVID-19, but also with our negative thought process during COVID-19 pandemic. Let us pray to God every day that the humanity may be saved, where researchers be able to discover such a treatment or method of cure from corona that will ensure good health of public. So stay healthy, lead a happy life, do not be stressed. You will be able to meet your separated loved ones when there will be on lockdown, just like the king could meet his kids and kins after returning his kingdom and winning the battle with the enemies. So be positive and cheerful in attitude, stay negative from coronavirus. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills.